Let's check in now with Alan Knuckman, the Chief Market Strategist at St. Paul Research. Hope you're doing well there, Alan. And what's your trader talk for us?
Well, hello, Angie. Call that a comeback. That was a fake out, shakeout in stocks that we saw yesterday, and a big comeback with the S&P closing positive.
How are your trades coming along?
All right, let's talk about what we do have. We've got Apple options now, a March 5th weekly play here. So we've got some weekly calls. Now, Apple was off big yesterday. It came back $8 off those lows and did close above that 125 pivot. So that's very important to keep an eye on. Also, we've got some March options for NEO. We sold half the position in 3 days, 50% profit there. We've got the other other half position with a month of time to see how that can develop. And also, Nikola, the April option. So that gives us 2 full months of time for a breakout with that bottom base.
Tell us about your latest play, Alan.
All right, today's trade trigger, American Airlines, flying high. It's been between 10 and 20 for most of this year here. A breakout above this 20 targets 30. Now there's a double top at 22 that it's going to push through first. But most importantly, we've got a midpoint to lean on of 15, 10 to 20, the halfway point that is a super support at 15. We're looking at the May, yes, May. The May is 3 months, May $15 call. And if it can push above 22, then we'll see American Airlines attack 27. Let's remember, this was a $60 stock in 2018.
Let's get those trading day takeaways.
All right, trading takeaway number 1, 44 more. Okay, the NDX, the Tech Top 100, that market is 4% off of Tuesday's lows, a big turnaround there after that shakeout, and it's also now 4% off the all-time highs. So that's pretty impressive. Number 2, top. Everybody's worried about interest rates. Everybody's worried that rates are climbing. Now, the reality is, if you look in the big picture over the last 10 years, the 10-year note has traded between 0.5% low and 3.5% high. So the midpoint is 2%. We're at 1.3% right now. We're a long ways away from just the 2% midpoint. So I think these concerns are a little bit overblown for now. And number 3, the Dow does it. Now, the Dow's only 30 stocks. It's not the best barometer. That's the S&P. But the Dow was almost 400 points off its lows yesterday, and it did record new all-time highs. So psychologically, that's very much a positive.
Always good to see you. Thanks so much, Alan.
Thank you.
Check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.